Hi, this is Van Lam. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how I designed my business card with basic tools with Procreate, Canva, and some inspiration from Pinterest. Let's go. So first, I opened Pinterest and I just went and checked what others are doing, because coming with an idea from scratch sometimes you don't really know. So I just typed artist business card and I checked what others were doing, what worked less for my style, and after I was inspired, it was easier to brainstorm my own ideas. Of course, don't want to copy anybody. It's just to get some ideas, you know. It's nice. I love to do that, usually with drawing, but this time for my own business card. So after brainstorming on Pinterest and then on paper, I doodled a few thumbnails of what my card could be like, inspired from my favorite formats I saw on Pinterest. And I wrote what I think must be there, so my YouTube, my Etsy shop, things like that. I was thinking about the font, I was thinking about the style I wanted, and then I chose my favorite one and I doodled kind of a cleaner version of it. So it's this one I liked, but even this one is gonna change once I put it in Procreate to do a cleaner version. So yeah, I went with the circle with my head and my name in big. So I went into Procreate. This is the final result. Here you can see all the bunch of layers. Yes, I work a bit chaotically, but that's my style. I'm gonna show you a quick time lapse. So I just took a picture of the drawing and I just drew on top of it. You don't need a scanner or anything fancy. It's just to bring the reference, and then you're gonna edit it anyways. So I got carried away. I drew more than I needed to because it has to fit in a circle. So when I was happy, then I imported the design to Canva. In Canva, I brought my design that I had saved, of course, as a PNG. So I had the transparent background. You can see it there, but the format was a regular business card format, so like 2.5 by 3. I added my website there. I made it curved. I'm just showing you quickly. You can do that in the effect style place and choose curve, and then you can just adjust as you want. So I did that. I added human artist because I want to make it clear that I'm not using AI. And then I put what I thought was the most important at that point. Since I had put my website, I just wanted to put my most used platforms, so my YouTube and my Instagram. And I used the logo from the Canva collection I pay for premium. So yeah, that's it. Under 4 minutes. The card took a bit longer, but to be honest, it was a thing of 2-3 hours maximum from brainstorming to finish. So let me know what you think. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.